Good morning, student. I am a social studies teacher. Welcome to your class. Today we will continue lesson 2 of your geography book. Chapter is natural resources, land, soil and water. This is a part 3rd of this lesson. In this video, you will know about water resources, conservation of water resources. First, water resources. Water is one of the most important natural resources. Mean जो वाटर है वो हमारे लिए एक बहुत जरूरी प्राकृतिक संसाधन है, क्योंकि हमारी जो ह्यूमन बीइंग की लाइफ है, प्लांट्स है, एनिमल है, वो कहीं ना कहीं वाटर पर डिपेंड करते हैं अपने सर्वाइवल के लिए. अबाउट 71% ऑफ टोटल अर्थ सरफेस इज कवर्ड विद वाटर, जिसमें से जो 97% है वो ओशियंस में या सी में पाया जाता है, और वो इतना सैलाइन होता है, इतना खारा होता है कि उसे हम ड्रिंकिंग पर्पज से या एग्रीकल्चर पर्पज से यूज नहीं कर सकते. और रिमेनिंग जो 3% है उसमें से भी 2% ग्लेशियर्स के फॉर्म में पाया जाता है, जो कि ह्यूमन कंजम्पशन के लिए अनफिट है. सो ओनली 1% ऑफ वाटर इज अवेलेबल फॉर ह्यूमन कंजम्पशन. और जो ये ह्यूमन कंजम्पशन के लिए जो वाटर है वो हमें पाया कहाँ जाता है? ग्राउंड वाटर्स में, रिवर्स में, लेक्स में एंड वाटर वेपर के फॉर्म में इन द एटमॉस्फेयर. The total volume of water on Earth's surface remain constant. This is because water from the oceans and other water bodies gets recycled through evaporation, condensation and precipitation by the process called water cycle. Hydrological cycle of water cycle refers to the continuous movement of water between hydrosphere, atmosphere and lithosphere, in which water changes its physical state. However, the total amount of water on the Earth's surface remains constant. Availability of water. We use water for drinking, for washing, cleaning, industries purpose, agriculture and electricity generation. Water resources are not distributed evenly on the Earth's surface. The quantity of available water varies from season to season. With the growing population, the demand of water is rapidly increasing for growing crops, rapid utilization and rapid urbanization, and for satisfying individual needs. Many countries of the world like Africa, Western USA, parts of the South America, West Asia and Australia are already facing shortage of fresh water, and many more likely to face this problem in the future. The scarcity of water may be due to inadequate rainfall or water overconsumption. This high cost of supplying drinking water in dry areas is also causes of water shortage in some areas. Water resources of India. India is predominantly an agriculture-based country and needs water to irrigate the farms. The water resources include river, monsoon rain, lakes and groundwater. The rivers are fed by monsoon rain are many in numbers, but the water resources in the country are unevenly distributed. In some areas, there is insufficient of water because of women and children have to travel long distance to get fresh water for their daily needs. On the other hand, some regions get flooded with water, causing difficulty to the people. Good water management is therefore required to provide water to all the states for agriculture and domestic needs. Since the river passes through a number of states, all states need to coordinate in order to effectively manage the water resources. We need adequate, standard and timely supply of water to produce more foods to feed our rapidly growing population. This can be done by developing an irrigation system by means of canals, tube wells, tanks and wells. Conservation of water resources. Due to the scarcity of fresh water, there is a need to conserve this precious resource and improve its quality. We can achieve this by not wasting water and using it planned manner. Water should be reused and restored for use in dry season. Means जो water है उसको या तो फिर से यूज करना चाहिए, जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल जो फ्रेश वाटर है उसको हम बाद में वेस्ट वाटर के पर्पज से यूज कर सकते हैं, या फिर हम इसको अच्छे से स्टोर कर सकते हैं ताकि जब वाटर की शॉर्टेज हो तब हम इसको यूज कर सकते। Water must be diverted from surplus region to region having a shortfall. मीन्स अगर कहीं पर पानी की कमी हो गई है या कहीं सूखा पड़ गया है तो वहां पर क्या है कि अगर वाटर स्टोर्ड है तो उसको हम क्या कर सकते हैं, डाइवर्ट कर सकते हैं और ऐसी जगह पर वाटर को पहुंचा सकते हैं जहां पर उसकी नीड है। थर्ड, रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग। रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग इन विच रेन वाटर इज कलेक्टेड एंड स्टोर्ड फॉर यूज इन द ड्राई सीजन शुड बी डन टू सेव वाटर। Fourth, sprinkles should be used to irrigate the fields as the water use less water. Fifth, drip or trickle irrigation should be used in dry season to save water. Sixth, the forest cover should be increased to retain and improve groundwater. Means कि हमें forest मतलब जंगलों का कटाव नहीं करना चाहिए, डिफॉरेस्टेशन नहीं करना चाहिए, ताकि क्योंकि ये क्या करते हैं, पानी को जो ग्राउंड वाटर है उसको इम्प्रूव करते हैं और साथ ही जो पानी उसमें पहले से ही मौजूद है उसको रिटेन करते हैं। 7, more trees should be planted as they help in retaining water, reducing surface runoff and recharging ground table. Thank you.